You like it?
No, esta chingada me va a estar rifando.
It's not even mounted or bolted. He's gonna show his overpriced spring. This guy doesn't know what he's doing.
Where the beer is at?
You're under 21. We're gonna put these train track trains. No, wait,
Train
cut
track
that,
trains?
cut that. We're gonna put these locomotive springs on this little petite car so it can go bounce.
What weight are these? 24.
For a car that weighs like 2,000 pounds.
It'll be fine. Barely drives.
Like, this is fucking ridiculous.
He already bought them.
Here we go, mister. I know everything. I drive German cars.
No, this is just basic fucking engineering.
Look, the powder cord already chipped off.
Yeah.
God, I hate Mexicans.
What'd you do, Mike?
Bent the tip.
Jesus Christ, I hate children so much. Fucking hate kids so much. So much!
Guys, what the fuck is up? Recording right or what? Just drop it in the comment section down below. We're over here working on Miata mics. Fingers in my asshole, Jesus.
See? Stupid.
King of New York, stupid. Stupid.
Access to the nut. Stupid. Break. You know what? Struggle more, Mike.
Thanks, puppy. I quit. I'm done.
So it's down here so you can push it with your leg.
I don't want to push it with my legs.
Struggle more there, Mike.
Are you turning the whole coil up?
See? Holy
We're going somewhere now.
pinche perra. Fucking maricon.
Hey, Manuel.
Hey guys.
Are you recording?
No, I'm just pointing the camera at you.
You get it up? Cut that out!
You guys are doing this, take it off, take this one off, and then you're gonna have one right here. Oh, where the lights at? Depending on what setting you guys have it, take it off right here, and then the two up top. And I'm missing. You guys gotta disconnect this, and then the one holding your OEM coil in here.
Here's an honest tip. Don't buy a Miata.
Hey guys.
Hold your dick.
How are we doing so far?
Shit, ask Mike. It's his car.
They took over from me. I don't know.
What did I tell you?
What did you say?
That these were gonna be fucking pain in the ass to break loose.
Show the screen. Get the screen.
I fucking hate Spanish.
Get the screen. Not kiss the screen. Okay.
And you're going lower?
Wait, get the other shot. Comparison. Hold on a sec. Another inch. Inch and a half.
It's gonna be a long night. I already feel it. I already feel it. I'm an underground king, and I ain't gon' drop the belt. You sissy rappers spin a second, we ain't sitting help. Pussy! Kel likes playing with the pussy.
Wait, let me get through the ear.
That earlobe pussy? I get it done and keep it moving. Fuck whoever else. No, I cannot wipe the doctors. No, I won't. I just cannot. What do you do to clean the threads?
Just clean it.
How?
You gotta stroke the shaft.
With what?
With a nice wet rag. There's all this these metal shavings and shit. At least a little bit of lubricant on there, even if it's just water.
And then when you're like going to do it next time, it won't be as aggressive. Good tip from Andrew.
Yeah.
No, that's moving now.
Andrew did this solo-handed, and it's taking 3 of you guys to do it.
Shut up. I don't see you helping.
Who was it that took him out? Yeah.
Me.
Tell him, Mike. Who took him out?
Me.
You know what? Hey, you can back your car out right now.
You should just go hockey pucks.
No.
Brendan Foster approves of that message.
Brendan Foster doesn't know anything about fitment.
Go follow him at Picking STI.
Don't follow him. He's at 3K. Unfollow him. Unfollow him.
No, remember Ozzy's fuck up picking?
You're going back in?
Yeah.
You excited or what?
Fuck no, I want to get rid of this car.
Don't be shy now.
Take your dick out.
What? What?
Spit on the tip.
What? Alright, we're done. Stop.
You got a flathead somewhere?
Guys, we're gonna drop a link in the description box for Mike to go afford some proper fucking. I don't even know what I was gonna say, honestly, I forgot. Big cock in Spanish.
Never my first time working on a car. Fuck this guy. Fuck them kids.
Make sure to go give Mike a follow.
Fuck Mike. Guys are
Oh, you'll find out in the video later.
Whoa.
It's stronger than hell then.
Trying to get my dick in you.
No, it's too bad. It's too tight.
Angel booty hole.
Did you try putting it on?
For like maybe 2 hours, you're fine.
Check out this transition.
Easy.
Quítate la verga.
You're a little bad boy today.
Look at the dust that came off these fucks. Look at this.
You grabbed my fucking gooch.
You grab it like it. Hey, give me the asshole. You got an opinion on this?
I bet bitches.
My tongue got queasy.
You said queasy?
Y'all want me to just put this?
I gotta rip some serious ass.
Rip it. I've been doing it.
Fuck is the harm?
Okay.
So it was cut down now.
Hey, Andrew, switch. Shut up, because I'll fart in your mouth and pee in your
That's
butt.
not nice.
What is this washer?
It's Mike. He's Mexican. What do
It's
you
a
expect?
stretch.
You were still waiting, and then you just left. I was like, oh, okay.
Watch him bit his bit. No, we got too many players now.
Did you take the camera out of this one already? No, not
Always in a hurry.
Me and Dallas?
Hey, I need tools, but you need some
Oh, for the actual
hardware. Yeah.
It's the.
Hey, just give up. Throw the bolt on the ground. Just...
My fat ass head. Oh yeah. Poquito away. Very little. Lower it.
Yeah, listen to Daddy.
Down. Take please.
Oh wait, no, raise it, raise it. Ah, raise it, raise it, raise it. Little bit more. Little bit more. Alright, there you go. Perfect. Ay, qué rico. Oh.
started,
so
but it's
in.
like not.
Oh, it slipped out.
Want to crank it down? Yeah. Alright, well, everything else is back together. I beat Ozzy there.
You had the jack.
Yeah. You had it for 15 minutes before I did.
Well, I was told not to put this in yet till you
Who
had
said that?
Nobody.
Nobody said that.
You heard that.
We said don't put the sway bar in there.
And
It's still put
Faster, faster. Rápido.
Muy rápido. Ah, my glove is stuck. Stop.
Your guantes?
Yeah. Mother of a.
Hey, Mike.
Check me out.
Andrew has AIDS.
Yeah. And my blood's all over your car. I wiped it on your
You
finger.
really have this?
rust.
Dude, touch that. It's like worse than a hunting dog.
Yeah, that would tighten up when you fucking tighten up.
I don't remember for. Yeah, I traded
What's up,
the
Widow's
CD for a
Peak?
Miata. Andrew, you like my Miata?
I hate these cars with more passion than I hate anything
No,
else.
fuck you.
But he likes my.
Hey, the guy behind the camera is the NA King. No cap.
Until he crashed.
Nah. To this day, he still is. Stays undefeated.
Technically, I didn't crash. I got hit.
I'll put a picture of his car up on the screen.
The silver one?
Yeah.
He
Oh, the
fell
black.
off after that.
And the black one, but I mean.
Had KB.
Look at him put in
Hey.
some 326 springs, thinking he'll stay relevant. Ah.
Hey, still Miata King.
Hey.
I hate all of you.
Let me just show you.
Hold on.
Hold on. Let me just show YouTube the height difference. This is my point of view. Don't get on your fucking toes.
Look at the height difference here now.
This is my line of sight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You bastard. Why do you go so hard?
Dude, you should see him do it to Brennan.
Dude! Coming from behind. Jesus.
Thanks. Nuts. You barely tapped that.
Gonna be me like a bags.
Sexy lady. I didn't even see that. Hey, Mike, let me keep this box.
All they do is buy stick springs and
Hold up, that's gotta be on you. Ow! What the fuck? Now, guys. Mike, you horny motherfucker. This is why you buy those springs. Fucking. Now, guys everywhere.
You see?
You know how many times like cricket came on that?
What?
Does it taste good?
Like what?
Tastes like.
Trying to beat that up like a gorilla. Oh, say less.
He's waiting for you. You can't put
Oh no!
That shit hurts, Andrew.
No. Okay, you're itchy.
Yeah, it.
2 feet, you're fucking crazy.
Round 2. You're sick. Boom, bam, bada pop, boom, bow.
Dog shit.
This is all for Instagram likes.
At least
What you got? What you got?
You're not
So,
gonna be able to turn that.
First mistake, rap. Second mistake,
I don't know.
KBD.
If the fender's gonna be the clearance issue. I think you're just
third mistake,
Everything you're just telling us.
soft top. Fourth mistake, let's see. Go right back. Right here,
I
right here.
told you too.
eBay cat bag that drones terribly. What do we got? Was that fourth?
Oh yeah, no.
Fifth mistake,
As it sits, it's probably
taillights that don't seal very well. Sixth mistake, the owner. Look. Look at that fucking widow's peak.
Leave me the fuck alone. Show him the seat. Show him the seat.
Oh yeah, the seat.
All the stuff is gonna fall apart.
Yeah, that was what, second mistake, KBD? Here you go. And last mistake, unmounted 30-year-old seats. And that's the review.
aspect tomorrow.
And neglect.
That's neglect for sure.
Just leaves it outside.
Shit ass car.
Thank you. Mike said it. Get fucked, Pablo.
Pablo is not a whole human being. He's 2/3 of a human being.
Whoa. What? What?
Yeah, just seeing the legs over your shoulders is crazy. How cool would it be if he drifted it like this? He had an angle kit on it and it was boosted.
Deeper.
But he won't.
What a shitty car.
Third on this side. Let's start on this side.
I'm scared.
This one's good. Wait.
I might buckle the shit out of your face.
Ka-chow! GG fenders.
You have new ones, right?
Yeah.
I don't think you're driving this home, Mike.
God damn. Yeah, that's not turning. Try and turn. Fuck it.
Turn the wheel.
Damn, now he shits on Brennan? Damn, get fucked, Brennan. Hey, up here.
You can still adjust the height.
That's how you do it, Brennan. Eat shit.
That's just Bondo. It's okay.
He says he's got new fenders. Fuck it.
Crank it.
Oh god. Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, Mike's not driving home.
You can adjust the height on the corner.
Just cookies.
Okay,
no.
stop being Mexican for 3 seconds.
Just saying.
Fuck you, Manuel.
Hey, let's see it without the...
I hate this car.
I'm just gonna do this. 3, 7, go. Oh! Now you completely fucked us.
Oh, yeah.
I'll pull it. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Manuel, come in.
If only this had a solid
need to
roof.
jack it up anyways to...
He pulled the stick.
3, 2, 1. Jump on this bitch.
Nah, dog, that is fucked.
Yes, it can. Because it's not going to compress at all. That's all tires.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.